We have a box that has 12 red balls and 12 blue balls. If two balls are to be picked from this box at random without replacement, what is the probability that both will be red? So we're trying to find, it's in the language, is this an and problem or an or? Do I want the probability of red, or do I want probability of red and red? And it's and. We want the probability of a red, and when it's, you multiply, if it's and, times the probability of red. Now the probability that a red ball is chosen first time, we've got a total of 24 balls. So our denominator will be 24. And how many red ones are in there? 12. Now they do not put that red ball back in there. So now I've got 11 red in there. So what's the probability on that second draw? It's red. It's going to be 11 over how many balls are in there? 23. And then reduce. 12 are going to 12 once. 12 are going to 24 twice. And then 1 times 11 is 11. Multiply your numerators. And 2 times 23 is 46. So the answer is A.